All my fans out there, please hit subscribe. Okay, a pair of parallel planes, say that 10 times fast. So you can do top and bottom. You can call it plane SQT is parallel to plane, and the bottom would be WUX. Does that make sense, guys? We did something like this during chapter 1. Yeah, usually as you kind of move along in life, the things in the past seem a lot easier. Just psychologically, I don't know, it's just the way it works. All lines parallel to RV, so this is straight up and down. What other lines are parallel to it? SW, QU, TX, right? Write all of them. Yes, so let me explain skew. Skew lines, they don't intersect, but when you think of lines that don't intersect, usually you think about parallel lines. The lines are parallel if they're in the same plane, and they don't intersect. Skew lines, I like to describe it as, you know how you have like the interstate, and then you have these overpasses?
It's like above.
Yeah, so it's like, it's not in the same plane, right? They don't intersect, but they're not parallel. That's a skew line. So Phoenix, you have the idea. You said skew to WX. You said TR? Yeah. TR would work.
So would it be kind of like going away from it?
Wouldn't have to be going away. It's just they're not going in the same direction. So. All lines parallel to the plane QUWS. That's the one on the left. Going up and down. QR is not parallel.
Wait, we're still on 3, right?
No. Oh, 4 lines. I'm sorry.
Oh.
For some reason, I just thought it 1 on 1. Yeah, we still are on 3, I guess. I only got 1. TR is 1. What'd you say? QS. Yes. WU. No, because they intersect at W.
Oh, okay.
So TR and QS seem like obvious ones. QR is not one. Yeah, it's parallel on a diagonal. ST is not one, it's parallel up front. RV, going up and down. QU. What else would be one?
So basically, when on skew, you're just doing all the lines along parallel.
Yeah. They don't parallel. They're not parallel, and they don't intersect. All lines that are parallel to the plane. So there's only 2 that I see. SW is yeah, SWTX. Yeah, I'm looking at the wrong thing. SW and TX is right. At least I'm making you think.
I think that's it for that one, right?
Yep. A plane parallel to QUWS. So I think that's the one I was thinking of. QUWS on the left side, so it's parallel to the left side. TX, RV. That works. Nothing else would work, but you could do different combinations of those letters. All right, good. We have a good idea, I think, of parallel and skew and whatnot.
6 is false, right?
6, true or false. A, E, and EF are skew lines. Yeah, that is false. Here's how I know. I don't even have to look at the figure. Here's how I know.
They're all part of the same plane.
They both share this letter E, which means they intersect at E. Skew lines don't intersect. 7, same idea. Parallel planes don't intersect, but they share the point D. That tells me and B. That tells me they must intersect at that line. So are they parallel? No.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, GH and EF. They don't share a letter. Let's make sure that they do look parallel. GH, EF. Yeah, that looks good. What do you think? Why don't you guys do the next three on your own? And then I'll scroll down for 12. Sorry, went too far, didn't I?
Is this stuff gonna get any more complicated?
I have a question.
Not really. There's some proofs that we do,
Good.
but
I
not
have
really.
a question about 11. Wouldn't 11 be false since they're like diagonally closer? No, wait, hold on, my bad. There's still false because
Yeah, it's 11's true.
What?
No, I'm sorry, FH and CD. Yeah. So FH, bottom right, and CD is the top front. They're not going to intersect,
Oh,
but they're not parallel.
They're talking about lines. I thought they meant. Yeah, I don't know.
You're doing good.
I'm trying. Alright.
Done writing.
I just got so many notifications saying you loved your comment, loved your comment, loved your comment. That's what you get for clicking it over and over. Haha.
12. Are we ready here? Wait, let's go ahead and double check, make sure we're doing it right. DB and AE, are they parallel? Is 9 true or false?
9. I put 4.
Yeah, they're skew. AE goes up and down. AE goes up and down, and BD goes kind of like right at you. Playing EFH and ABD. True or false? Are they parallel? What'd you put on your paper?
Which number?
10.
I put 2.
You guys agree?
Yeah.
True. Just did 11. What was it? True. Good. All right, 12. This is the analogy I always use. You are driving over a bridge that runs east to west. Below the bridge is a highway running north to south. Are the bridge and the highway parallel, skew, or neither? I use this analogy when I describe.
So like this.
Yep.
Skew.
Skew. Yeah, I like using that analogy.
That's a good analogy.
Thank you. Skew. List parts of your classroom that fit each description. Parallel. What's parallel to the top of the window?
The ceiling.
Yeah, the ceiling. You guys just pick them out. What is skew to one side of the door? I mean, it could be anything. They're going to intersect, though. I mean, technically they're in the same plane. Ceiling and the top of the door will intersect. What part of it?
Well, no, the top of the door doesn't touch the ceiling, though.
But
Planes.
the lines extend forever. Planes extend forever.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So
That cabinet.
let me go back to
So
well,
treat
Lex.
everything as though it keeps going.
Yep, exactly. You said the desk, like which part? Yeah, the top. So the line going here, and then my desk going there. They're not going to intersect, right? If you think of like my edge of my desk, maybe we should say the edge of my desk, so it's a line.
Is C the roof or the ceiling?
Huh?
C.
Oh, C. We haven't done C yet.
Parallel.
Oh, you're asking parallel to the plane of the floor. Yeah, the ceiling would be parallel to the floor.
Put ceiling for all the answers.
That would be right. $14, your friend says the sides of a ladder and rungs of the ladder are skew. Is this true?
It'd be false because they intersect like that, right?
Yeah, they intersect. I hope so, otherwise your ladder's broken. Got repeat, sorry guys. Which one?
Number 13.
Which part? All of them?
Yeah.
So A was parallel to the top of the window. We said ceiling. Skew to the one side of the door. We said side of my desk. And then C, parallel. Oh, parallel plane to the floor would be the ceiling again.
I think, but I can't.
Two planes are parallel. Must all lines. If two planes are parallel, must all lines within those planes be parallel. If the two planes are parallel, are all the lines in the planes parallel?
I'd say yes because the lines make up the plane.
You're close.
Because the lines are there. Because
Because the lines go on forever.
Alright, so ceiling and floor are parallel, right?
yes,
See the lines going this way?
yeah,
And the lines on the floor going that way? Are they parallel? They are what?
skew.
They're skew. Okay. So, must all lines within those planes be parallel? No. Some could be skew.
I'm gonna comment when you post this video, and you better love it.
Hi YouTube.
Can they hear us?
I just paused it actually. Wait, no, I didn't. Yeah, they can hear you.
Yeah.
16, we ready?
Alright.
This is the other thing that we learned yesterday. We did a Kahoot over actually, which we could do one at some point. Pretty easy to do. Corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are angles that are like in the same spot. So if I was to pick up this point and put it on top of this point, what points would match up or what angles would match up? Those would be what we call matching or corresponding.
Are we doing the outside or the inside?
Either one.
1 and 6.
They wouldn't match up.
What?
Nope. If I
Oh, 1
if I
and 7.
if I folded it over, maybe. Nope. 1 and 7 are actually alternate exterior.
Oh, okay.
Aiden, what do you think?
1 and 5 or
Yeah.
2 and 6.
1 and 5 or 2 and 6? You guys see it now?
Yeah, they're both.
Like in this, 1 and 5 are like top left spot of the angles, right? 2 and 6 would be top right. So corresponding angles are angles that like match up. You might hear someone say,
Yeah, they look the same.
"Look at my outfit. My pants correspond with my hat." No one would say that, but what do they mean? It means they match or they go together.
What do they make 4 and 8 do?
Yeah, all of them. Yeah, I want you to do all of them. Okay. So 1 and 5 and 2 6.
4, 8, 3, 7.
Said 4 8. You guys agree? 4 8.
Yeah. The rest are easy. 17.
I feel like I should ask YouTube, kind of like Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Ask my babies like, what tool should we use?
Sledgehammer.
The mouse tool.
I was gonna say a gun. That's
The mystery mouse tool.
For it.
Yeah, and it like waits for them to think about it, like they're actually teaching
No,
them
you should
something.
make a bunch of videos that go on each choice they choose. So make a 20-second video. Ask them,
Yeah,
what
you
did
could do
you
it too,
do?
right?
And then take 2 choices and you click on one of them and they're like, you are wrong. And then just ends the video.
Who died of dysentery?
You failed the Oregon Trail.
You got scurvy. All right, same side interior. It sounds like it sounds.
538.
Listen to me. So it's pretty self-explanatory. So it sounds like it should be. It sounds like it is what it is. Okay. So same side interior. What do you think?
2, 5, and 3, 8.
2 and 5, 3 and 8.
Yeah. Ultimate interior angles.
Makes sense.
Wait.
Okay, that just means they're both locked in. Okay.
Yep, inside the 2. Alternate interior. So alternate meaning opposite sides of the line. Interior meaning inside. So it'd be 2 and
8. 2 and 6 could be 2 or 8.
2 and 8 and 2. No, because 6 is on the outside.
Oh.
2 and 8 and 3 and 5. Is that what you said, Aiden?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good.
Definitely.
How many questions are there?
All right, 27. Alternate exterior.
1, 7, 1, 7.
Good. 1 and 7. And 4 and 6. Any comments or questions or repeats? Before we move on to 20 to 24, so I'm going to actually let you do those.
Oh.
This assignment didn't take us long.
Just 'cause.
Heck, I gave you 2 days on it. Should be able to get it done in 1.
Hey, we still need tomorrow to do it, Mr. Davis.
Yeah.
See?
All right, 20, rapid fire. I said it didn't take us long. Let me prove it here. So 2, 7. 2, 7. Are they on the outside or inside?
They're
Inside, obviously.
Alternate
They're-
exterior angles.
They're on the outside, right? Exterior. Are they on the same side of the line? No. They're alternate, right?
Yeah.
So alternate number 20, alternate, and I abbreviate. Feel free to alternate exterior angles.
Same side.
21. They're interior, right? Are they same side or same side or alternate? They're same side, so I abbreviate that SS. So it's same side interior SSINT period angles.
I understand this one.
Good. 8 and 3. You might be thinking, okay, they're same side, but one's interior, one's exterior.
Corresponding.
Yeah, they're corresponding. You guys see how I did that? So it was, okay, they're on the same side. All right, 3 and 8, they're on the same side, but one's interior, one's exterior. So that means they're corresponding. 6 and 4.
Wait, which one are we on?
Alternating interior.
Good. Alternate interior angles. We're on 23,
Okay.
which was my football number in college.
In college?
Yep.
You played for college?
Yeah, Anderson University College.
24 is a.
Corresponding.
Yeah.
Yeah, good corresponding.
Of course, 25 has an A, B, C, and D.
Of course it does. It's not difficult. So we're going to draw a line E that intersects trapezoid ABCD. Okay, we haven't talked about trapezoids, but
That's the thing.
boom, there it is. A, B, C, D. And E is going to intersect it. Something like that. All right. A, B, and CD are parallel. I drew it like that. Okay, if you didn't draw it like that, you should have. So we did part A. Okay, I'm going to put a check mark there. I did that. Angle 1 and angle 6 are alternate interior. So I'm going to label these angles. Alternate exterior. So angle 1 here. Alternate exterior and angle 6. You guys with me? I feel like I'm moving fast.
No,
I'm with you.
Okay, got that. 2 and 3 are same side interior. Okay, 2 and 3. Same side interior. With me?
Yeah, 3, yeah.
4 and 5 are each supplementary to 3. Alright, so supplementary means then you add up to 180. We can do that using the linear pair theorem. So this could be a linear pair that way, right? And this could be a linear pair that way.
Should we like circle those?
Nah. Okay, we're done, huh?
Yeah, we got you one problem. 26. Oh, you're done with that.
We're done with that.
Yeah.
26. Describe 3 real-world objects that represent 2 lines intersected by a transversal.
What's transversal again?
So E is your transversal in that
Tracks,
right?
Okay.
train tracks and
In a road.
a road. Sure. Yep. There's one. Name 2 more.
Wait. So no train tracks?
Train tracks and a road.
Two crashing trains.
No. There's 3 situations. Okay. Train tracks.
And a road.
Train tracks and a road is one situation. You got to have the parallel lines, which train tracks we can agree are parallel, or at least they represent it,
Oh, train track. Okay.
and then a road crossing those.
Like a railroad crossing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do a intersection, right?
Yeah, an intersection of highway. It's kind of the same situation. There's different ones.
What county?
I mean, like, right. I mean, right there, right there, right there.
Oh, like
Windowsill. I mean, there's a bunch of them.
like cardboard box.
Yeah.
So you got railroad and road intersection. There's 27. Let's go.
Wait, a ladder, right?
Ladder. Yeah, the rungs inside a ladder.
Not if it's skew though.
Not if it's.
Oh,
They don't make steel ladders.
If it's broken. Aiden,
I have another one for the.
go ahead.
space.
Yeah.
The shelf behind.
Yeah, good. So 2 shelves running through, and then maybe a book laying diagonal. It doesn't have to lay diagonal. A lot of what we see with the parallel lines and transversal, the transversal is actually perpendicular because we like nice even square stuff.
We're weird.
Like the door. The door frame would look kind of weird, and maybe if we were like some sort of artsy fartsy school, it would. But it's parallel on top, right, or perpendicular on top. Actually, I think I would like that. I kind of wish we were more artsy fartsy.
We're too poor for that.
Keep the door.
Just like if it was angled and it was like a triangular top, that'd be sweet.
Pentagon.
And like a window in it.
I think we'd learn more about
Keep the door
geometry.
Pentagon.
We would. They should make like.
You know-
That you crash in a weird shape.
I have a circular saw. I could probably turn that into.
I don't know if the school would like.
If you decide to quit your job, you have to do that. What
All
are
right.
you doing? I'm quitting.
Yes, Phoenix.
We're finished.
Yes. Oh, look at Phoenix getting us back on track. Okay, town hall and gas station. So what we're doing here, let me read it here. Name the angle pairs represented by the locations. Okay, so it's going to be alternate interior, alternate exterior, corresponding, same side interior. Okay, so town hall.
Corresponding interior.
Real fast. There's no such thing. So town hall and gas station.
Same side interior.
Same side interior. That's what you guys said?
Yeah.
Okay. I was trying to talk over you. Same side interior. School and library. School.
Would be corresponding. Right?
Corresponding. Got it. Library and where's that? Oh, post office. They're like on the outsides of town, right? And on alternate sides of the road. So alternate exterior. Last one.
Alternating interior.
Alternate interior. You guys have it done?
Yep.
Turn it in.
Turn it in.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.